Well, that's certainly a different thing. I've never been to an amusement park in the winter time, and when you start to think of these cold temperatures, being up on those high rides would be an interesting one. And yes, we have cold on the way for us here tonight. Now, we have some record lows. We're going to go over these really quick for tonight. Going into your Wednesday, those records, for the most part, are in the upper 20s. Washington, D.C., the record stands at 30 degrees, set all the way back in 1880. And yes, the question is, are we going to get cold enough to break some of these records? Well, we'll talk about that here in just a second, but this is the view many of us have been dealing with throughout the entire day. A lot of gray sky over Hagerstown. Now, as you move more to the east, we've had a few more breaks in the clouds throughout the day, but those have even become few and far between to find here this evening on this very chilly Tuesday. We barely got back into the 50s right along the I-95 corridor into the D.C. metro and points east. You go back to the west, Leesburg in those mid to upper 40s, the entire Interstate 81 corridor right there as well. And then the chilliest air today continues to linger back over West Virginia and Western Maryland. Everybody, though, as compared to 24 hours ago, substantially cooler, about 15 degrees on average. There's a good look at that cloud cover. Again, those low clouds continue to just stream across the area. Notice a few small breaks around D.C., but then very thick cloud cover once you get over the mountains, and a little bit of a radar echo popping up in Garrett County. Some light flurries have been noted out there across parts of Garrett County. So the mountains seeing their first flakes of the year. Now, again, frost and freeze conditions very likely across the entire area tonight as those temperatures plummet. So hopefully you've made those preparations, brought in those sensitive plants, and prepared those outdoor faucets as well, just to be ready for the cold. We're looking at repeat conditions tomorrow and Wednesday night. Chilly, but a little bit of sunshine during the day, and then frost and freeze conditions again tomorrow night before we finally bring those chilly days to an end as we get into your Thursday and Friday before we look ahead to our next rain chance, possibly moving in late Sunday into Monday. It's a very dry stretch for many of us, except again, back across Garrett County. Notice how we're going to clear out the clouds across pretty much the entire area. That's going to help with those very cold conditions during the overnight hours, except for back across those highest ridge tops. An upslope wind is going to continue to bring clouds and likely that chance for some snow showers. An inch or two could be on those highest ridge tops by early tomorrow morning. The rest of us continue to stay dry with just a mix of sunshine and cloud cover then throughout the day tomorrow. Watch this. This is the big story here. The temperatures tonight, we're going to quickly fall into the 30s, and look at where those low temperatures settle across the board. Upper 30s around D.C., but everybody else is going to be right near that freezing mark all the way into the start of your Wednesday morning. Frosty out there, no question, tomorrow. Then we barely recover once again back into the low 50s to the east, staying in the 40s back to the west before another round of cold on your Wednesday night. And tomorrow night's actually likely to be the coldest night of the week, with a few more upper 20s mixing in for those low temperatures. Well, once we get past Wednesday night, we start to look up. We're going to have temperatures recovering to the 60s on your Friday, and then near 70 over the weekend. And then we have that warm and dry weather continuing straight into early next week.